In this video, I'll be showing you how to change Apple ID on iPhone. Now, changing your Apple ID without losing your data is completely doable, but it requires a very specific approach, as most people make the mistake of creating a brand new Apple ID and logging out, which strands their data on an old account. So the best method is to change the email address associated with your current Apple ID. This preserves all your purchases, photos, contacts, and app data because the account itself never changes, only the name does. So what you want to do is before you change anything, you need to ensure your data is safe and your devices don't get locked out. So what we want to do firstly is go to our settings, click your name at the very top, then go to iCloud, then go over to iCloud Backup. And then once you go ahead and click on it, what you want to do is firstly go ahead and tap Backup Now and make sure Backup iPhone is on. Now mine is currently off because I don't have enough space on my iPad storage. So just make sure that you definitely do. Then make sure the new email address you want to use is active, accessible, and has never been used for an Apple ID before. Now what we want to do is go back again, and once we're in this Apple account section, we want to go over to sign in and security. Then once we're here, it's going to take a few seconds to load, and it's going to say add an email or phone number. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to show you that you can add an existing one, a new iCloud email address, or anything like that. Before we do that though, click on your main email, and right now it's primary email. So what I want to do is I'm going to turn off this primary email, and then I'm going to go over to add email or phone number. Then I'm going to add a new email address right here. And then what I'm going to be able to do is once the new email address is added, go to my previous email and remove from account at the very bottom.